some core strengthening exercises. So the first one, double leg raising. You can position your arms slightly under the body just to support the back. This step is completely optional and is recommended for people with back pain or a weak core. You can take an inhalation, and as you exhale, start lifting both legs up as high as you can, only till 90 degrees, and then lowering the legs down without touching the floor and exhaling, lifting them again. This can be repeated a minimum of 5 times, a maximum of 10 to 15 times. Relax பண்ணுங்க. For the core strengthening, we also have double leg rotations. You can take your legs together, position your arms just like before under the body, supporting your lower back. Neck is relaxed. So you will start rotating both legs together in one direction. So you can begin exhaling, lifting the legs up, and inhaling, lowering the legs down again. And just repeat it around 5 to 6 times in one direction. This can be done in the opposite direction now. So we are showing it 2 to 3 times only. You can do it by yourself around 5 to 6 times. And relax.